Alright, you guys, so this is the directions video for assignment 1.2. In this assignment, you will be writing an email to me. Yes, an actual email. So the description says the purpose of this assignment is for me to better understand you as a student. In this email, I would like for you to share your experience in school with me, the good, the bad, and everything in between. This information is honestly super helpful and it gives me insight into how I can help you be successful, so please seriously be honest. Before pressing send, you need to get it checked by me so then I can stamp your checklist and make sure that it looks good. Alright, so below the directions that you're looking at now, you will see the requirements for this assignment. I need 8 to 10 sentences. That may sound like a lot, but I promise once you get started and you start talking, it's not too bad. You are welcome to write more than 10 sentences. You need to give multiple pieces of information about you as a student. All right, that's what I'm interested in, particularly what you think is the most valuable information for me as your teacher to know about you so then I can best support you. It needs to follow proper email format, which I will show you here shortly, and have decent spelling and grammar. All right, ideas of what you may want to include in your letter are the following. 1, your favorite subject and why. Your least favorite subject and why, how confident you are in your reading and writing skills, would you rather read or write, if you like to read, do you have a favorite book or genre, so on and so forth. You get the idea. Do you have to answer all of these questions? No way, that would be crazy. But hopefully they give you an idea of what you can include in your email to me. Alright, I do have an example here, so let's take a look. Couple of things I want you to notice about this example. First off, the email is being sent to me, Kylie Nelson. My email is knelson@jajags.com. You can find that in my syllabus if you need to reference it, okay? It'll probably, well, if you're in class, it'll be on the board. But otherwise, reference my syllabus if you need help with that. You'll also see my name pop up when you start to type it into your email to me. All right, the subject line should be student email, because that is the assignment we are working on, and that'll be a good way for me to know what you're talking about. All right, the subject line is super important to teachers. Then you are going to start off with a greeting, something like Dear Miss Nelson. Preferably keep it professional. Don't say what up, but keep it nice and simple with Dear Miss Nelson. And then get into the body of your text, right? This is where you actually write and answer all of those questions that I just showed you previously. All right, so this person wrote, I'm really nervous about being in 7th grade. I like school, but I have a hard time focusing and feeling motivated. I really like science class because I think science experiments are cool and fun to do. I like to read, but only if I'm super interested in the book. I like reading mysteries in particular. I like to write creatively, but essays really freak me out. My favorite part about school is seeing my friends. My least favorite part about school is math class. Something a teacher did in the past that I liked was letting us play Kahoot games to review before a test. Something a teacher did in the past that I did not like was making us give presentations in front of the class. That's all I can think of for now. Sincerely, Susie Q. All right, so make sure that you cover the 8 to 10 sentences, that you give me valuable information about you as a student, and then you give a salutation. Susie Q here used sincerely. All right, you will get this checked by me. Once I give you the okay, then you will press send. If you are doing this from home, then I want you to use your best discretion on if you think you have satisfied all the requirements, and then press send. Obviously, if you're at home, I can't check it. So use your smarts, submit it to me, and I will give you any feedback if necessary. Awesome, y'all. Well, that is all that's really to this assignment. So if you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, you should be going into your Gmail. Mine looks like this. This compose button, which you guys can't quite see, it's sort of behind the window right now, but it has a pencil. You click compose, and then to, right? K Nelson at JAJags is my email. The subject line should say student email. You need to start up with a salutation, something like Dear Miss Nelson. Whoa. The body of your text, right? Blah, 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 blah. 8 to 10 sentences about you, and then your ending. Sweet. Let me know if you have any questions, but I think you guys are going to knock this out of the park. All right. that is all for the directions. Good luck and start typing.